Hello and welcome to another package video. Today I received also this great package from Javid Patel. So Javid, thank you very much for this great parcel. If you don't know Javid by now, that's his YouTube channel, so please check him out. He's making very nice videos, very enjoyable, and he's also a great picker and making very interesting challenge locks. I've not yet picked one of his locks by now, but I hope that there are some inside. So yeah, Javid, thank you very much, and let's have a look inside. So that's what he sent to me. We will go lock by lock individually. So here we have a REECE safety lockout padlock, very lightweight, has a dimple lock core. And I really like these locks. It's property of no key. I really like these locks, and I have already a small collection, different brands, different colors, different keyways. I like these type of locks, lightweight and fun to pick. So thank you very much. Great. All right. What else do we have? We have a Squire. I don't know how to pronounce this correctly. SAL40. Keyway is not too bad. Very nice lock, very nice surface. Very lightweight also. All right, great. Then we have an Asec. Great wording here. And I think this has no clip, so I will be careful when I got it or when I have it picked open. It's a 6-pinner. And I think there are the keys. Yeah, here are the Asec keys. Oh, bidding is not too crazy. Okay, I will be careful. Oh, keys are not working. Maybe they have a different bidding. Oh, don't think so. The last one. No, doesn't work. Maybe there's something wrong with the lock. I don't know. But I will try to pick it and then I will find out. Cool. Never had an Asec before. So what's next? We have an unbranded lock, as it looks like. And this is for sure a challenge lock. You can see that crazy looking key pin in the back. Yep. Nice white. Oh! Also here you can see the groove or the serration on pin number 1. Wide open keyway. This will be fun to pick. So what's next? We have a, come on, we have a union rim cylinder. I think this is also a challenge lock. Yeah, it looks like. Yeah, looks like. You can see the serrations on the key pin. Very nice. Very interesting housing. I like these different type of lock housings. There are so many, and we here in Germany we also we only have these boring Euro cylinders, and yeah, it's quite nice to see these different kind of housings, mechanisms. Cool. All right, what else? It's a Karl F. Okay, Karl F. Never heard of that. Looks like a Yale keyway. What's that? GxAxV, or how do I have to say that? GAF or GxAxV? I don't know. Javid, please let me know what that means. Maybe the initials from the lock maker or from the maker of the challenge lock, maybe. All right. So look at that key pin. That's for sure a challenge lock. Okay, and the last is a scratched away. I think there was something before. Surface doesn't look original. Okay, that's for sure also a challenge lock. Alright, so great stuff, great locks. Javid, what's the that's the key for the Squire. Let's check that. Yeah, that works great. So Javid, thank you very much for these locks. I really appreciate it, and I'm sure I will have a lot of fun with that bunch of locks. Cool. I might try to pick that one. So let's see. I need a tension wrench. And a pick. Pick. I will start with a shallow Euro hook. Okay, let's see. I'm in a full set now, and searching for spools. Maybe I don't get the reach with this shallow hook. Try a deeper one. Oops. And no, not open. Such a deep false set. And no, not open. Even deeper false set. That's amazing. One is given counter rotation. And it's open. Wow, that was a fun pick. Cool. Oh, not open. I mean, not unlocked. Yeah. Now it's unlocked. Okay. Ah, we can get it. So here are the pins in this lock, and I'm very surprised to see challenge lock pins in front of me. I selected the Squire to pick because I thought it's an easy game and it's just a stock lock. But in fact, it's a challenge lock. I picked a challenge lock out of the box. Very cool and very surprising, and sweet little pins. So what we have is spool type pin with a sharp edge, and yeah, another edge in the middle, a regular spool, a double spool, I would say, a regular spool, and a spool with a sharp edge, and yeah, 3 parts with two edges in the middle. Very nice. And key pins are normal beside of 2, which are serrated. Yeah, very, very nice. If I find the core, we'll have a look at the core as well. Core seems unmodified. Everything's normal. Nothing changed. Nothing threaded. And the Bible. Where is the Bible? Here it is. Also nothing changed. Everything's original. Alright, so Javid, again, thank you very much for this cool lock. Very interesting pick. And yeah, of course, for all the other locks that you sent to me. Oh, I forgot to show you something. Yeah, here it is. He also sent this pick to me. So that was also in the package together with the locks. And it's a very, very nice pick. It's a metal handle and very, very nice shape of the pick. I really like this deforest type shape, and it's extremely long. I have something for comparison. That's a standard Peterson jam. You can see how giant this pick is. So very, very cool. Now I just only need to have, let's say, a 10 pinner to make good use of this length. Very cool. All right, yeah, Javid, let me know if you made this great pick or who made it. Yeah, everybody else, yeah, thanks for watching and happy picking. Bye-bye.